guys, welcome back to Zeke the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find and join community on X, which is Twitter. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to find and join a community on X. Very simple steps. So first thing you have to do is open up your X app. So once you open it up, you're going to go straight to so when you're in your home page like this, you're going to go straight to your profile. Once you go to your profile, you're going to see where it says communities. Click on communities and you're going to see explore right here. You're going to click on the search bar and you're going to search on any community you want. So I'm going to search for Liverpool, and all the community of Liverpool is going to show right here. So I'm just going to click on the first community right here, and you're going to see where it says join right here. Click on join, and remember they are going to actually review and see if you actually qualify to actually be in their community, and they're going to also give you a set and enforced rules that you have to actually abide in. And you can see the first one: be kind and respectful, stick to this topic, Liverpool football, share the group with your other LFC fans to grow the community. So you click on agree and join. So once you click on that, you're going to see you'll be able to read other people's posts, comment, and like. And where you see plus sign, you can click on that to actually type in and also post in the community. Other people will engage. Your friends are going to see it, your followers, and the rest of that. But if you don't want your followers to actually see it, you can see you just have to not tick this box right here. You just leave it like this and post, and your followers are not going to see it. But if you want to share with them, you can simply click on this for them to also see. So it's really simple on how to find and join a community on X. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.